right, good morning. Welcome back to another video. All right, so this one's going to be a quick update on the Supra and some carbon fiber parts that I got for the Supra. If this is your first time checking out my channel, make sure you subscribe. We've got lots of cool car content on not only the Supra, but we've also got a FD Mazda RX-7, and we've got this project right now that's taking up a lot of space in the garage, 300ZX, that we're doing a twin turbo swap on, full motor rebuild. So make sure you subscribe for more cool content. So back to the Supra. Just got some carbon fiber parts in for this, and I wanted to talk about carbon fiber for a little bit. So hopefully this will help you in your decision to buy some aftermarket carbon fiber parts for your car. Hopefully this will be like a little bit of a guide. Just to give you a little bit of background, I do a little bit of carbon fiber work myself, right? And so what do I mean by that? If you look at some of my older videos, you'll see some of the carbon fiber stuff that I used to make. I used to make parts for Nissan 350Z, and I've made some stuff for FC Mazda RX-7s. Just to show you a little bit of my work, here are some molds. Here's a mold that I made for motorcycle parts, right? So I've done vacuum infusion in the past, right? So here's the mold, and then here's some carbon fiber parts that hadn't even been trimmed up yet. I vacuum infused these, I want to say like 6 months ago, and just never got around to finishing it. So these are carbon fiber heel guards that I custom made for my Ducati. So here's the mold for that. Another part that I'm really proud of. So this is a two-part mold that I made for mirror block-offs. And so here, this is the actual part right here. The rest of this is just the mold surface. And then here's the front part of it, right? And so the part that actually goes in there, or the part that mold actually makes, are these right here, which I'm pretty proud of. Took a lot of work to get them there and make them just right. So that's what they look like installed on the bike. All right, I showed you that to kind of give you some insight into my background with carbon fiber. You know, kind of familiar with how it's made. I've made some stuff myself, so by no means, you know, not a beginner. I've had mixed success with ordering aftermarket carbon fiber, and that's kind of what led me to kind of build my own stuff. So I did buy the Street Hunter front lip for the Supra, and it was the non-wide body version, carbon version, straight off their website. I got it. I never got to test it. I wasn't very happy with the quality of it. Returning it. Didn't like it. I returned it. And then I found this company called AutoID. They're based in the UK, and I ordered a bunch of stuff from them. And it came, and so far quality looks really good. Just unboxed the carbon fiber kit from AutoID. I got the, I think it was called the ID23. It's a full kit, and you know, I gotta say it looks pretty good. So I think you could pick which lip you want. I think this is a aim gain replica lip, and then I went with the Street Hunter replica spoiler, and then I also added the side, just the door blades. So overall, so far, I have to say, like, the quality is pretty good. Definitely better than the Street Hunter kit that I got. Now, you know, disclaimer, can't really speak to fitment yet until I actually put this stuff on, but I can, you know, from what I see, this stuff is really, really good quality. You know, there's not a whole lot of blemishes in the clear. Stuff is actually lightweight. The weave looks good. The clear looks good. No, you know, not a whole lot of bubbles and stuff and trash in the clear. Pretty pleased with it. Again, we'll have to fit the stuff and see how it fits. So I'll just point out a few things if you're thinking about buying this stuff. I got the mirror cap replacements. Now, AutoID doesn't actually make these. These are made by TRE. And there were a couple blemishes. I think it was in this side, yeah. So I don't know if you could see that, but like where those dimples go, looks like when this thing was pressed into the mold, maybe the pressure was too high because it kind of changed the weave pattern. Other than that, pretty good. You know, here's the same mirror on the other side, but you know, you can't see the distortions. But there's like a little cloudy spot, like right here, but still not bad at all. Side blades look really, really nice. No crazy issues there. It's just a piece of plastic. I'm real interested to see how these fit, because tabs on the back side, you know, they're always interesting to deal with, but again, quality looks really, really good. No air bubbles, no, you know, trashed edges or anything like that. Nothing like what I found in the Street Hunter. Nothing like we found in the Street Hunter kit. So pretty damn good. Edges look good. Here's the back side of that one. Okay, side skirts. Wish I would move faster so I could get all this stuff in the sun. Side skirts look really nice. Again, no trash in the edges. Weave looks nice. Everything looks really good. The thing's actually a little bit hefty, I would say, but not bad. There was one thing too with these side skirts. They were wrapped up together, and one side skirt was rubbing on the other one, but luckily it was towards the inside. So like, for example, like right here, this piece was rubbing right here, but I don't even think you could see that, and I could probably put a little bit of clear on that. That'll be okay. And then looking over here on this side, I think it was this, yeah, this right here was rubbing right here. So just recommend to AutoID you guys ship these separately, or wrap them up separately, not together. Let's take a look at and these parts came all the way from the UK too, so really impressed. Like, see the edge, there's no like trash there. You can kind of see where the seam comes together, but nowhere near as bad as the other kit. This is just a little bit of probably where they wet sand or buffed it out, but you know, weave looks really good. No trashed edges, no pinholes, nothing like that I saw on the last lip that I got. Again, can't speak to fitment yet until we actually put this stuff on, but you know, honestly, it just looks better out of the box. I didn't even get a chance to fit the Street Hunter lip. I returned it. I figured after spending all that money on that lip that it should have came perfect. It shouldn't have looked like trash. And when it didn't, I returned it. This kit right here came all the way from the UK. And I wouldn't say it was less, but I got, you know, I think I paid like $2,200 for just a lip when I bought the Street Hunter lip. And on this kit, for all this stuff, I'm like $4 grand in, including shipping. So I feel like I got a lot more bang for my buck. I opted for I'm gonna paint these to match. I will say these end caps are kind of meh. Like as far as how they line up, I'll probably have to do a lot of work to get them where I want them at. So we'll see how that goes. And then the blade looks really, really good. I'm gonna take this out in the sun. Try not to drop it. But the blade looks really, really good. You know, no bubbles, no weird edges, nothing crazy with the paint. It all looks really good. So I can't wait to fit the spoiler. I think it's gonna look great. Here's the other side. So again, don't know about the fitment yet, but as far as quality goes, seems to be pretty decent quality. I think last but not least, these things right here. I guess these are like rear, I don't know what you call them, rear canards or rear somethings. Yeah. We'll check one of these real quick, but again, you know, clear looks good. I don't see a lot of those like weird hairs and stuff in the clear. No cracks on the corners. You know, looks like it came out of a high quality mold, or at least had a lot of post work done to it to clean it up, make it look good. Now I did take one of these and try to fit it on the car, just like hold it up, just to kind of see in my mind what it would look like. Again, excuse me, my car is dirty as hell. I don't know how this thing is gonna fit. Looks like it's gonna take some love, but I don't know. We'll see. We will see. Again, I don't want to judge fitment until I get a chance to actually get in there and work it. Yeah, maybe it's not so bad. Maybe there's just something underneath that's got to come up. So we'll see. There's probably something underneath there that's holding it, keeping it from popping in place. But yeah, we'll fit those. I'll let you know how those fit. And then again, also want to point out, I'll show you the back side of this. So again, here's the front lip again. Pretty good quality. I'll take it out in the sun. Hopefully I can do this one-handed without banging anything. So there's the back side of it. What I kind of like about this kit is it's actually lightweight too. It's not like the Street Hunter kit. That Street Hunter kit was very heavy. So yeah, look at that. This looks beautiful. Really happy with the quality of this stuff. We'll have to see how it fits. So that's that. Hopefully this stuff fits as good as it looks. Keep you posted.